What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei Watch Fit 2 smartwatch with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its highlighted features, specs, all of the content we got inside this retail box while performing all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got an image of Huawei Watch Fit 2 showing the design of the device. The device is powered by Harmony OS. It comes with a 1.74-inch full view display along with Bluetooth calling. So we got speakers on this device, and then we got Healthy Living Shamrock. It also comes with up to 10 days of battery life on average usage and 7 days on heavy usage. We got some quick workout animations. It comes with automatic SpO2 monitoring. We got independent music playback. That means the device comes with some storage for storing the music. Then we got the scientific sleep monitoring and 97 different workout modes. And here you can see that it is mentioned that iOS does not support music syncing. The device we got inside comes with Isle blue color with silicone strap, and this is a special review unit, not for sale. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is Huawei Watch Fit 2 in Isle blue color. Here we got the warranty card, user manual, and a special charging cable for the device. So this is one of the drawbacks, that it comes with a special charging cable, and if you miss it somehow, then you will have to buy a new one because you won't be able to charge your Huawei Watch Fit 2. So these are the only things you will find inside the retail box of Huawei Watch Fit 2: the smartwatch, warranty card, user manual, and the charging cable. Huawei Watch Fit 2 in Isle blue. So let's switch on the device, and we will have to go through the setup first. It is a time consuming process. It's going to take some time. I will make a separate video that how you can set up the Huawei Watch Fit 2, and I will go through all of the options and settings and features that it got in totally in depth to let you know that how you can use this device effectively and how to improve your productivity. But here in this video, I'm just going to skip that part. So if you are interested in knowing about every single feature of Huawei Watch Fit 2, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the idea when that video is live. So now the setup is done and we are good to go. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So here on the front side, we got a huge 1.74-inch display with 72% screen to body ratio and 336 ppi. So the display is really sharp, and the color reproduction on this AMOLED full view display is quite nice as well. Even though the screen to body ratio is just 72%, if you use a wallpaper with black background, then it gives the impression of having edge-to-edge display, and the bezels are visible only at some particular angle. As you can see, the curved edges look beautiful and give very premium vibe to Huawei Watch Fit 2 here. The device is a bit thick, but it is because that it comes with a speaker and microphone. The slight increase in thickness compared to the previous version of Huawei Watch Fit is totally justified. It comes with just one physical button, and the shiny metallic finish on the frame gives once again very premium vibe to Huawei Watch Fit 2. At the bottom we got the charging points for the charging cable and the set of sensor. As you can see that the straps are removable, and if you want you can change it easily and replace them with a new strap for your device. It is quite lightweight, and the silicone strap is very comfortable as well, so you won't feel any discomfort even if you wear the Huawei Watch Fit 2 24/7 on your wrist. Just like most of the smartwatches, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 also comes with the Huawei Watch Fit 2 also comes with 5 ATM water resistance, so you do not need to worry about bringing the device to the swimming pool or any source of water. The display is really bright and beautiful. As we have already talked about, touch screen sensitivity is quite nice as well. If you swipe from the top, here you can see that we got some quick settings that you can perform. You can go to the settings, you can turn on the DND mode, you can set up the alarm, etc. We will talk about all of these features in our another video about which I talked a few minutes back, so do not forget to watch that video to get the in-depth idea about all of the features of Huawei Watch Fit 2. If you swipe up, you will get all of the notifications here. If you swipe left or right, you will get all of these cards. For example, the weather, you can see the Celia here as well. It comes with music player, and Dream It Possible, the Huawei song, is pre-installed. So if you play it, so the speaker is quite nice for enjoying the music on a smartwatch. So you can switch between the tracks, you can increase, decrease the volume, you can select the audio channel, whether you would like it to be connected with a Bluetooth device or you want to play the music via speaker. So these are pretty nice. Then we got the weather. Here we got the heart rate monitoring, we got SpO2 monitoring, we got the weather, we got phone call records, we got the card showing the lunar cycles, and we got pedometer information. So we got plenty of cards on our Huawei Watch Fit 2 that you can use to improve your productivity. Now if you press this physical button here, then you will go to this menu where you will get all of these options. So you can see the first one is the workout. You can see that it comes with specific courses and plans for running, where we got 13 preset courses that you can select depending on your preference and necessities. We got the custom course as well that you can use via the Huawei Health app. We got many different training plans, once again, for which you will have to use the Huawei Health application. We got outdoor run, indoor run as the retail boxes. We got around 93 or 97 specific workouts, as you can see here. We got plenty of them. It also comes with auto detection of the workout. You can also get exercise tips to get the best possible outcome for your physical activity. Here you will find your activity records. We got the running ability index that is developed by Huawei that calculates your running capability based on your physical strength. Then we got the heart rate monitoring, we got SpO2 monitoring, we got the healthy living Shamrock, for which we will have to set up in the Huawei Health application. So as I said, I will talk about all of these in detail, in depth in my another video, so do not forget to watch that one. And after that we got the pedometer information, how much steps you walked, how much distance you walked, how much calorie you have burned. We got the sleep tracking. Of course there is nothing because we just started using the device. After that we got the stress monitoring, under which you can calculate and measure your stress level, and if you are feeling stressed, then you can use the breathing exercises to calm yourself. We got the option to select the intensity or the duration. After that we got the phone call records, because Huawei Watch Fit 2 comes with speakers and you can make voice calls right from the device, and this is the reason we got the contacts as well that you can use via Huawei Health application. After that we got the music player. We have already seen how it works. We just got one song on the device. After that we got the remote shutter feature that you can use to capture images and control the camera of your smartphone right from the Huawei Watch Fit 2. And then after that we got the compass, and then we got the notification, we got the weather, and then we got the Huawei account detail. After that what we got, the stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight that brightens the screen to the maximum brightness. We got find my phone feature. If you press on it, then the device will start ringing to let you know where exactly is your smartphone. So this is quite useful as well. And then we got the settings, under which you will find lots of options that we will talk about in our another video, in which we are going to talk about every single feature in depth, how you can use them and how you can use all of these settings and options to improve your productivity on Huawei Watch Fit 2. But at the first glance it is looking quite great for sure. It comes with lots of watch faces that you can use on the device. You can also add few more, and of course you can use the Huawei Health application to download and install more watch faces. You can even use your own images as watch faces. I will make a separate video that how you can install new watch faces, how you can use your own picture as watch face on the Huawei Watch Fit 2. But right now I'm just giving you a brief idea about the device, and as you can see that Huawei Watch 2 is looking a pretty solid smartwatch especially if we compare it with the previous generation of Huawei Watch Fit smartwatch, as it comes with bigger and better screen along with Bluetooth speaker, microphone and dedicated music player storage. So many more videos of Huawei Watch Fit 2 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.